Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I am going to do a new nail polishes that make me happy collection video, swatcheroo, however you want to call it. Basically said or explained, it is 10 colors that I randomly grab from my collection that I actually really love to wear. And since St. Patrick's Day is coming up really quickly, I think it's this Thursday already, I felt like let's challenge myself and grab 10 polishes that are super green. A lot of you guys already know that green is my least favorite color to apply to my nails. I love the color green in general, but for nail polishes it is just not my cup of tea. But I really sat down, challenged myself and picked 10 colors from different collections, brands, finishes and so on, and swatched them for you guys. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But for now I'm going to quit the rambling, add some relaxing music, definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, and let me know which one of these green polishes is your favorite, or maybe you have some recommendations or anything like that when it comes to green colors that you would like to share with me and the rest of the viewers. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, cause time moves on and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine. get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. What the hell am I doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you,